Regularly scheduled events will probably be useful for this kind of cookie clicker game, so it can kind of run in an automated way. And I've set that up here using the turtle ontimer function. So the way this works is we have turtle.ontimer, and we specify the name of a function, which I have called tick, and we specify a time before we're going to call it. And I've used a variable here, tick time. So when I run this, it's going to wait half a second, 500 milliseconds, and it's going to jump up and do the tick function, whatever's in there. And you can see I'm adding 1 to the score and printing it out. Just a reminder, I'm having to make that score global, otherwise it doesn't realize that they're the same thing. Now, having done that, the thing that we do is say, okay, let's do that event again in another 500 milliseconds, another half a second. So let's just check that works as we'd expect. So it's just running away. Every half a second is adding 1 to the score and printing that out. So it seems to be working just fine. And that's all we need to do for a regularly scheduled event in the game. Just going to point out one little detail. You notice I haven't done global tick time. I've got tick time here. I'm using tick time here inside the function. So you might think, oh, why aren't you using global tick time? Interesting question, and the answer is because I'm not modifying the value of tick time. I can read values of variables, I can't modify them. So this is the line that is forcing me to do a global score because I am modifying the value of score. Interesting little detail.